Hey, welcome everyone to the channel. Definitely hit that like and subscribe button because I'm going to be doing tons of little things to this Nissan right off the bat, and things that I haven't been able to find while searching in my research for buying this. And one of the first things I want to do is show taking off these Pro X stickers off the back of this and the silly door edge guard stuff the dealer puts on that doesn't do anything in my opinion. I'm not a big fan of these type of stickers, so that's why I'm taking it off. I'm not embarrassed about having a Pro X or anything like that. I just don't think it looks very good, and I don't like the way I can't detail around it and it'll just be different. So just hop right into it here. I'm in the Florida sun. It's 95 degrees out. This is actually very hot to the touch, which is what I wanted. So I'm going to try to film this and talk and show at the same time. So this is just a really inexpensive clear vinyl type sticker, and it was probably put on at the factory. As you can see, I'm only using my fingernail, and I'm just going to slowly peel this off. I'm not ripping it off like a band-aid. I've never seen the paint come off on one of these vehicles, but that is my disclaimer that could happen to you. So always just be prepared. Hopefully we won't have that happen during this time, but as you can see, this is coming off with absolute ease. Now, if you weren't in such a warm place, you could add a little heat to it. I would just use a hair dryer, because a hair dryer won't melt your head and it won't melt this paint. You go to use a heat gun, if you start warping that sticker, you could really mess up that paint. So as you can see, I'm kind of working it here. I'm trying not to do one big, it's 2 inches wide. This does a little bit at a time and gives me an angle. This thing's coming off so clean, I won't even have to clean the paint when it's said and done here. All right, now I'm not going to snap it off at the end. I'm just going to try to roll this off nice and gently. See, I didn't want that snap, although it didn't hurt nothing. That's a little glue, and the little piece we missed at the beginning. So very simple to do. There's not even any residue left. And what's really interesting, the way this truck has been sitting out, like I said in the introduction video, lots of contaminants in this, and it's like a flake, and you can see it and feel it. Where the sticker was, this thing is clean. None of those contaminants. So that tells me this definitely has some fallout contamination from sitting at the dealer, for all this time. I'm not going to litter, but I'm going to put that in there so I can continue my video. So if you do have any sticker residue left over, you could use some alcohol. I love this. I've used it in my other video, Acrosol solvent cleaner. Now this is body shop safe. It won't hurt paint. It won't melt trim and stuff like that. You do need to be careful with it. I don't like getting it on this black plastic stuff. It could dry it out and make it white, so you got to be careful. These door edge guards, this kind of crap that they put on at the dealer, this has to cost them about $1.95 for all 4 doors. This stuff is absolute junk. And as I showed you in that introduction video, it was already coming off from the dealer. And this is so simple. There's nothing to this. This stuff is not thick enough to do any type of protection other than maybe, oh my gosh, I don't even know what this stuff is in mill. It has no glue, no thickness to it, nothing like an actual clear bra. Clean, no residue left, easy mod, cleaner look on the truck. I do like that a lot. I'm gonna do the other side. I don't need to show that, on camera. I am gonna add some letters here like I did with that Jeep Gladiator I owned. And I'm gonna also get this dealer sticker off, which is just vinyl. That'd peel right off. I don't really need to show that. You don't need to do anything. Just whatever you do, do not sit there and use a razor blade or a scraper or anything like to start this or finish this or get this off. It will scratch your paint. It will hurt the truck. Just try to get it off with your fingernail. That's the safest, softest way. Do not, some people swear by those plastic razor blades. I don't like them. I don't like what they do. Just get it started, get it off. It's easy. I'm gonna detail this truck out. I'm gonna clay bar it, wax it, and show you the end results in a future video. This is a shorty, under 5 minutes long. Thanks for watching. Definitely hit that like and subscribe button. I want to build this channel up over this truck, and I have another new car. I'm really going to show some fun stuff on it too. Thanks for watching. Bye.